Never before has a political organization which forms the government taken the time and expended the effort to review its performance after 1 year in office. To measure that performance against proposals and policies outlined in the manifesto presented to the electorate prior to the elections, and to make public the results of that audit through the publication of a document which we present for the nation's attention and information today. And that will be done by the General Secretary. Indeed, this is one of the obvious and tangible ways by which we have maintained our commitment to the power principle described in our 2011 manifesto and the progressive agenda which preceded it. That commitment to participation, accountability, and responsibility continues to be a foundation principle which governs our operation as a political movement. The constituency consultations being pursued by members of Parliament and the parish forum by the Prime Minister, and regular sector consultations by portfolio ministers guide the deepening relationship which we are actively maintaining with the people of Jamaica. We have listened to, read and watched the feedback of key sector leaders, commentators, and the wider public at large. As chairman of the party, let me directly acknowledge that we understand the anxieties and concerns of the various groups and the wider public, especially as it relates to the ongoing negotiations with the International Monetary Fund. Let me also remind you that commencing today, the Cabinet will be engaged in a 3-day retreat at which the crucial policy options and approaches will be considered. Of necessity, those deliberations will involve a review of the state of the IMF negotiations and the pre- and post-action requirements related to an agreement with the IMF. As we have re-established today, the populace will continue to receive the updates, and sector leaders and indeed the media will be apprised of developments as quickly and as frequently as is practical so to do. You may be further assured that as a party and a government, we understand and want you to understand that regardless of such negotiations, Jamaica must own and direct our economic growth and development. All our decisions as a government shall be taken with the interest of the people at heart, and in a manner that the majority of Jamaicans and the country's economy will benefit positively and measurably. While the timing and pace of the negotiations dominate the public discourse, the PNP-led government exercises responsible leadership and is putting in place the necessary measures for Jamaica to regain a sound footing economically overall.